morning, guys, and welcome back to another video. How are you guys doing today? It is a beautiful Sunday here, and we are headed to a car meet, and I am also very late, so let's get to it. All right, we just got the Nates. We're here. We got to head to the car meet, man. Sir, and we checking this beautiful thing. My first time in it too. I'm excited. But we're gonna see what this is about. All right, these scat packs are a little weak. Oh my God, yo, this thing's a beast.
Next year we do, I'm gonna bring that.
We got Evan in the cut, we got Lee, we got Donna, we got TP, we got Nate. What's up, bro? What's up, bro? How you feeling, man? Pretty good, pretty good.
Nice little Sunday out here.
Beautiful Sunday. We better go check out some cool whips out here. Man, they got some cool cars out here. This is a Ford GT I saw, a Ford GT. Y'all remember the guy with the C6? Well, this is his wide body scat right here. That's his wide body scat right there. That's crazy. And y'all seen this on the channel before. It was in the Sets music video. And then we got this guy's right here, Mero. Oh, my bad. But we got his Mero right here. This thing is clean too. Personally, I don't like Meros, but definitely clean. There's the S40, and I'm looking at two WRXs. Look at the exposed carbon on this thing, man. That is crazy. It's gorgeous.
Is that the scat pack you had?
No, yeah, it's the bumblebee and a hill.
Oh, I thought that was the bumblebee.
Man, there's some really cool cars here, man. We're gonna do some more montages. I hope you guys keep watching and keep enjoying it. Still, we have more cars pulling up too, so it's going crazy, yo. Yeah, this vet just pulled up on some drag tires, and bro, those tires are thick. This thing looks terrifying. You gotta pop the hood. This is Pro Charged. So Lee's scat just, I don't know what happened to it, but it stopped working. We're pushing it. The meat's back there somewhere. But we pushed it all the way out here because he stopped down here and it stopped working. So we may think that he ran out of gas or something, because like the engine sounds fine, there's no engine damage, but there's not enough gas pumping through the car to turn it back on. It's part of the scheme to check up on us, but those guys went to go grab me some gas. Hopefully it starts again. Hopefully it starts again. Hopefully it starts parts again, and we'll get out of here. The cops are here. They're kicking everybody out. Everyone's leaving the meet. We're over here still trying to get the car back in order. We got the cruise cars here now. And yeah, man, we're hoping this thing... They went to go get some gas, so we're just waiting on them. What do you think about this whole situation?
Man, we was having a good time, and then boom.
Boom, just like that. Just like that. Tell them again.
Wrong.
Man, VQs for life, right?
BQ's for life, man.
Yeah. I don't even have a VQ. Moment of truth, and it turned on. Let's go. Yes, sir. That thing back, baby. That thing back. She back, baby. Let's go. There's no engine damage, man. I knew there was no problems with it. How you feeling, bro? Bro, that was a great feeling of satisfaction right there, bro. All right, we got him back on the road, and we are heading to get some Mexican food. How you feeling, Nate, about that?
Good as
Yeah, we are driving. We're back in the road, and I'll update you guys when we get there. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, that wraps up dinner for the night. How was it? What's your rating on it, dude?
pretty full, you know. I give it a 8 out of 5. 8 out of 10.
I'd say the same, honestly. But I believe... Yeah, lollipop. But yeah. Alrighty, guys, that is going to wrap up the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, do what you got to do to keep watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.